Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a zombie burger. So you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a zombie burger. I have drawn every layers of it. Now I'm drawing its mouth. To color inside its mouth, I'm using my black pen. Here's its closed eyes. And this is its hand. Now I'm drawing its legs. Okay, now let's start coloring. I'm coloring the cheese first. To do that, I'm using my orange pen. Now I'm using my yellow pen. For the lettuce, I will definitely use my green pen. Now I'm using a light green pen. Now I'm coloring the bacon. To do that, I'm using my brown pen. Now for the coloring of the burger bun, I'm using my orange highlighter pen. It's already looking nice. But I'm using my orange pen again. Finally, I'm using my pencil to draw a shadow. I'm blending it with the help of my fingertip. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.